Hi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This message is to Mr. Trump himself. Firstly, I would like to praise many things that Mr. Trump he believes in, as he mentioned before when he stood in front of a church holding the Bible, that he believed in God, and he sworn in the church firstly as well. So he believes in the God. We are in the same platform as humans, that is the creator for this universe, and we follow his commandments as well. I would like to praise that his actions and his executive orders against homosexuality, which is deviant behavior against nature. So we thank him very much, because he's the president of the #1st state in the world, and his words are really considerable all over the world. So we'd like to praise his efforts against homosexuality, and there is only two sex, male and female. We thank him for that. And we also praise his efforts that he worked in the best interest of his country and his effort. Yet we notice some contradictions, like he's against illegal immigration across the borders in the United States. And this is acceptable for anyone, any state in the world do not accept illegal immigration. But in the same hand, he said at a time he's going to set Middle East in fire, and he's asking states like Egypt and Jordan to accept deportation of Palestinian people from Gaza to Egypt. Those people who lived here for centuries, for millenniums, father by father. This is their homeland. They have no land anywhere in the world. They live in Palestine and in Gaza for 1,000 years, since their ancestors. This is their true land. So if you don't like people to illegally migrate to your land, here you ask people to migrate from their homeland to other land, and this is not acceptable. And he's still supporting Israel, despite that Israel is not American state. It's not the 51 American state, and he's not Israeli by himself, and he's not stated that he is Zion. And we don't know why he would like to support them and pay the money of American pay taxes to this state, which is now the whole world. Everyone in the world had seen live how they bombard civilians, how they use the weapons of food and water against children and women, and they bombarded thousands and thousands of civilians live in the TV. With American support and with American weapons, and this is not acceptable. Even the international criminal law now is calling for Biden, for Netanyahu and Gallant to stand before the ICC. So the whole world is condemning these actions. So in which way, in which principle, you continue supporting them, and ask the Palestinians, who are the native people of to be deported from their homelands. The principles we should not take principles in parts. And justice is justice, equality is equality, and you have to stand for your principles. This is why a lot of American people gave you their votes. Otherwise, these contradictions will not pass as acceptable in the majority of the world, and even inside the United States. And before that, the God who you and we believe in is not accepting that. Thank you very much.